Zero ETL is part of our new expanded partnership between Salesforce and AWS. AWS is a critical partner for Salesforce today, and our customers expect product synergies and interoperability between our platforms. With Zero ETL, we're unlocking the ability to access data in both platforms without moving the data back and forth. And this is critical for our customers. We have customers who can leverage Tableau Pulse on Amazon Redshift, which is AI-driven insights for their platform. We also have customers that leverage TabPy to drive predictive models and visualize in Tableau. We're also expanding our experience with a reimagined SageMaker experience, where customers can build models in SageMaker and use Tableau to explore, visualize, and analyze inside Tableau. With these innovations in our expanded partnership, customers can expect to improve their governance and security. That's a huge foundation for our AI-driven analytic workloads. Customers can also expect to improve their ability to explore and visualize and analyze their predictive models inside Tableau with our SageMaker integration. With our Zero ETL copy framework, customers actually can now build analytic and AI agents based on firmly grounded data on structured and unstructured data. And that's a huge benefit for our customers, to be able to build that trusted, governed AI models on top of their data in Redshift.